Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change oil on a BMW 5 Series or basically any standard car. Among the things we're gonna need are definitely a car jack, car sense. We're gonna need a bucket to catch all the oil inside the car and something to put under it so we don't contaminate the floor. A socket wrench set and some rubber gloves for your hands. It's always good to change the oil filter as well, so we're gonna need that one. In terms of oil, we're using 6.7 liters for this car. It's Castrol Edge, so the original for BMW with long life 04 standard. You can always check the oil type and volume specifically for your car online, as well as the part numbers for the oil filter and others. Twist the oil cap under the hood. After you've lifted the car up, use a ratchet to loosen the screw of the oil pan. Wear gloves and make sure the car hadn't been running for too long, causing the oil being way too hot. Try not losing the screw in the oil bucket, as you surely do not like reaching there with your hand fully submerged in oil. Let the oil drain for a couple of minutes and move your attention to the oil filter instead. Pop the old one out of its cover. Do not forget to change the sealing ring as well. Use a little of the old oil to lubricate it so it slides in with more ease. Click the new filter in. Now's the time to reassemble it back to its original housing. After the oil has drained, screw the oil pan screw back in. Make sure not to over tighten it, as could damage the screw or the thread. Fill the engine with new oil. I always recommend using original oil. You can find the volume for your engine online. In this case, it was 6.7 liters of Castrol Edge Long Life 04 oil. Close the oil cap, start the car and let it run for a couple of minutes. You can check if you put the correct amount of oil either with a dipstick or in the car's infotainment system. If needed, fill some more oil. That was pretty quick. The intake filter is hidden pretty deep in the car. Now there are two cabin filters, do not forget to change both of them. Go for a ride and let the engine thrive. Do not forget to change the oil and filters frequently. The car will thank you.